business. Don't dial my number. Put my phone on DND, so don't even bother. This life I wonder. One palaver after the other. Me I know I don't need to. I ain't got time for shady deals. Shady deals. Shady deals. Yeah. Shady deals. Shady deals. So many fraudulent activities, so I stay far away from my sanity. Any money you loot is vanity, so what's the point of causing calamity? If I say something, I stand on it, cause if you stand for nothing, then you fall for anything. And I got no energy, lock myself in the studio making melodies. If you're doing any legal business, don't dial my number. Put my phone on DND, so don't even bother. This life I wonder. One palaver after the other. Me I know I don't need to bother. I ain't got time for shady deals. Shady deals. Shady deals. Yeah. Shady deals. Shady deals.
Looking to the